So my eyebrows are already primed and prepped for eyeshadow. I'm going for bronzy. So in this palette, there's these two colors. So I swatched them right here. And I'm gonna go with the one that's closest to my skin tone, since it's gonna go in the center of my lid. So I'm just gonna use this brush, the same one I used to carve out my eyebrow. And you're gonna wanna use whatever bronzer you use. So if you did your face first, whatever you used as bronzer, that's what you're gonna use to do this next step. If not, whatever you are planning to use as bronzer and or contour, use that shade. I'm going to go in with this shade. So I'm just doing circular motions, going up and over, circular motions back the other way. Buffing in, up, buffing back, over. So I'm gonna just keep building this color up. Once I got it to where I want it, then I'm just going to take whatever's left over on the brush and then I'm just gonna swipe outwards. So flicking up and out towards the temples. So when I put my bronzer, it's gonna go right here and it's just gonna be like a seamless line from eyeshadow into my bronzer. So if you lose some of the bronzy shimmery color from the constant blending, you can always go back in. Use your finger. That way you get the most color payoff. And just tap the center. I'm gonna do the rest of my face and I'll come back to do the under eye. I'm gonna go in with these two brushes. Smudger brush and then a blending brush. So I'm going to be applying the same bronzer shade that I applied in the crease over the top to the bottom lash line, and then I'll be blending it out with this. I'm going to take this real tiny precision brush, super small, and I'm going to be taking the same contour palette that I used. I used the highlight shade for the top of my cheeks. I'm going to take that same shade and I'm going to put that on my brow bone, just under the arch. I don't bring it down this way because that emphasizes my hooded eyes, and I don't like to bring it down too much onto the lid because, again, I don't have a lot of space to work with in the first place since my eyes are hooded, so I keep it just at the very tip. And on that same shade, I'm going to take in the inner corner. I'm going to just add some mascara and I'm going to pop on some lashes. The lashes I'm using, super fluffy. Here is the completed look. I hope you liked it. It was super simple. Honestly, the lashes make it look like I tried. It was really fast. So pairing it with a vampy lip obviously made this look more fall vibes. I used a Chic Glam lip liner in 524 and then a ColourPop lipstick in Grunge. So they were almost the exact same color, so it worked out. I am loving the way it looks. It's very light on the eyes, nothing too dramatic, but the lip really is just like the statement piece. Also the lashes. I feel like you can play it down if you want. If you want more like a natural lash, maybe only a half lash. But if you choose to go in with a dramatic lash, I would keep it fluffy, especially if you have a hooded eye, so you can see the shimmer behind the lashes. But yeah. I also love the way my hair came out right now. Super cute.